Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. It's important to clarify that numpy primarily works with arrays, while data frames are a part of the pandas library. However, you can easily convert a pandas data frame to a numpy array. Below, I'll provide a tutorial on how to do this, including code examples. Tutorial: Converting a pandas data frame to a numpy array. Step 1. Install required libraries. Before you begin, ensure you have pandas and numpy installed. You can install them using pip if you haven't done so. Step 2. Import the libraries. You need to import both pandas and numpy to work with data frames and arrays. Step 3. Create a pandas data frame. Let's create a sample data frame for demonstration purposes. Step 4. Convert the data frame to a numpy array. You can convert a data frame to a numpy array using the .to_numpy method or the .values attribute. Using .to_numpy method asterisk. Using .values attribute asterisk. Both methods will produce the same output. Step 5. Working with the numpy array. Once you have the data frame data in a numpy array, you can perform various operations on it, such as indexing, slicing, reshaping, and mathematical operations. Summary. In this tutorial, we have 1. Installed and imported the necessary libraries. 2. Created a pandas data frame. 3. Converted the data frame to a numpy array using both the .to_numpy method and the .values attribute. 4. Explored how to work with the resulting numpy array. This conversion is helpful when you want to leverage numpy's powerful numerical operations on data originally stored in a data frame.